All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is May 23rd, 2013. Tonight, well, let's go over the results first. Okay, today we had 5 ticks profit in crude, 10 ticks profit in gold, 1 tick profit in the Russell, 10 ticks profit in soybeans, and 9 ticks profit in copper. All right, that puts us at $5,437 per contract. That means trading one contract in all those markets gets us to $5,437.50 for the month of May. I don't know, how many days have we traded in May? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 days in May, and we're up $5,437.50 per contract. Now, that is a gross. There are fees associated with trading. There isn't, it's not an $8 commission, but if we apply an $8 commission, so it would be more than any of you guys should be paying. If you're paying more than $8, you need to give Burr a call. But we thought we would just apply a number that's bigger than all of you are paying. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade that we've taken so far this month, you would still have $3,757.50 per contract. All right. This morning we made 10 ticks on beans, as I said. 1 tick, is that right? Yeah. 1 tick on the Russell, 5 ticks on crude oil, 10 ticks on gold, and 9 ticks on copper. Okay, it took us 4 minutes and 2 trades to make our 2 points this morning. We were at $110 a contract when we made the 2 points. We took a whole bunch of trades today. There was a lot of volatility, and we took 22 trades today. All right. We are up. This is a new monthly high right now. $5,437.50 is a new monthly high. Last month was the highest month we had in the live trading room, and now we are at $5,437.50, and we still have a week to go. So we could, so far we're up over $1,500 this week. If we continue to have that kind of return over the next week, we could really set the bar high for myself and be up at $7,000. But we won't look that far ahead. Let's just look at tomorrow. We do have green here for tomorrow, so I'm expecting to have an update tomorrow and an update on Tuesday. Monday is a holiday, everyone. Monday is a holiday, so we will not be here on Monday. All right, the trades. Well, first I wanted to point something out. Dwayne had wanted me to look. He had said I could look at the 4-tick range for him yesterday, at some time during the day yesterday. And I did go and look at that, and I made this right here. I believe this is the time that it was either right in here or right over here that Dwayne was talking about. If the 4-tick range gave a trade setup. We had a trade set up right down here yesterday, but I'm pretty sure it was right here on the bottom of the weekly trading zone over here. Okay? I'm pretty sure it was down there on the bottom of the weekly trading zone. All right. Let's see. Well, from there, you can see on the 4-tick range what it looked like. Dwayne showed you on the 10-tick range, but on the 4-tick range, there are trading opportunities all over the place. And right now it's run back up through this weekly trading zone. You know what? I'm on the ES, I might as well just go over the ES. I only pointed out one trade this morning on the ES, it looks like. Yeah, right here, a short trade on the ES is what I pointed out. I was looking over here, and it would have been a long trade right in here on the ES, but there was no divergence left, so there was nothing there. Oh, here's another one I pointed out, a short trade in there. So I pointed out 2 short trades. This one over here that dropped however many points that is, and this one over here. That's it. That's all we had in the live trading room for the ES anyway. All right. Let me go to crude oil. Oh, wait, before I go any further, let me do this. If you have not taken a free trial with us, go to www.cfrn.net/apply. Sign up for the free trial. In the free trial, you get access to everything you see here. Hang on, I gotta sneeze. Okay, sorry about that. In the free trial, you get access to everything that you see here, and you also get access to Dwayne and myself. You get access to the live trading room for 5 glorious business days. You get 2 hours per day in the live trading room. You get to watch me put the trades on, take the trades off, explain the setups as they happen, and trade live in front of you. If you sign up for a free trial, you're going to be sent an email that's got a link in it to watch a video. If you click on that link, you should click on that link, watch the video to tell you how to go and download the platform. Part of the video says to go to some page and download a layout. Rather than go to that page and download the layout, just send me an email and ask me for the current layout. Send me an email at support@cfrn.net and ask me for the current layout. Okay? That's it. Now I'm going to get into the trades. On crude oil today, where do we end up on crude? Plus 5 ticks. All right. Clearly there was some nice trades right in here that we missed. They would have been a long right here, and they would have been a long right here had we been watching it at that time, but we were not. Hindsight's always 20/20, isn't it? Let's go back here. This is what we did in the live market. All right, we made profit on this trade right here. I think we made, what did we make on that one? Crude. We made 6 ticks profit on that one. Then we lost this one. Or wait a minute, did we? Yeah, something like that. And we lost this one, and we were at -2, I think. And then we made profit on this one, and somehow we got back to plus 5 ticks. All right, we lost this trade. We made money on that one. We lost money on that one, and oh, I know what it was. We made better than 6 on that. I have no recollection, actually. Anyway, we ended up making money. Now, what we were looking for was a down close below the trend line, and we're looking for the same thing over here once we get the lower swing in. I didn't get into the follow-up one right there, but it did happen. All right, we missed this trade and this trade and this trade. Yeah, I think that's what it was. We made 6 on that. We lost 8 on that. We're at -2. We made back to break even on that, and then we made 5 ticks on this. Something like that is what happened. All right. Anyway, up here, there was an opportunity to get long at the up close right there, an opportunity to get long up here. There was another opportunity in here. Now this one pretty much had lost its divergence in here. Okay, by the time you got the up close over here, there wasn't a lot of divergence left. But this one certainly had it. And then it changed directions. There was an opportunity for the short there. The short here that I actually took was right in there. There was another one right over here. And another one over here. Long trade in here. And there are just a bunch of opportunities today. The crude oil, we ended up plus on crude. We should have, if I'd have taken all the trades, if I'd have really focused on it, we would have ended up better than that. The Russell, what did we do on the Russell? We took a few trades on the Russell today, and we ended up plus 1 tick because I know we lost a trade in here somewhere. This one. We lost a trade right here, and then we followed it up with another trade that went plus 6 ticks, but we ended up taking a break even on it. If we scroll back here, this was our first trade on the Russell. It was a down close below the trend line. And we took some profit on that. We missed a long trade over here that didn't go anywhere. Oh, my chart's just locked up. We missed a long trade over there that didn't go anywhere. And there they go. Okay. We missed a short trade over here that was going right down into the weekly trading zone. Just looking. There was no trade in here. It looks like you might have had a trade in here, but there was no trade because you had the wicks. And by the time it got all the way down here, and you got this up close, the black line's down below the BBC, so there's no trade in there. Switch directions. We missed all these trades on the way up right here. There was another one here. This one we did take the up close off the BBC. We took that trade. We took the down close below the trend line over here, and it stopped us out. It gave us some profit. I probably should have had my stop at break even on that, but I didn't, and it stopped me out. Then we took the next trade, and we got a break even on that one. And we got a break even on this one. Now this trade right here, I got a break even. I got out of that trade because it was at the end of the day, and I wanted to go over some things at the end of the day. But there was a good opportunity right in there. Okay, went right up to the weekly trading zone, and that's where it's coming off of right now. All right. What I would look for right now, we have bearish divergence down here. Look for a pullback up to the BBC and a close off of that, a down close off of that for the shorting opportunity. All right. I'm going to jump in on the gold right here and show what's going on with that. Now, for everyone who is a partner, in the partners meeting tonight, we have a partner who is using the Flow paint bar, the CF Flow paint bar. I am going to go over tonight in the partners meeting what he's been doing to make, well, he made $1,700 today with it in the live trading room this morning, and over 2,000 yesterday per contract in the live trading room on gold by itself. I'll go over that tonight in the partners meeting. Okay. If you're not a partner, you need to be a partner to get into that meeting. Okay? You must be a partner. If you want to know what it takes to become a partner, then get into the meeting. Also, I will make available to the partners tonight in the meeting the latest version of the CF Flow paint bar. I will make that available to all the partners tonight in the partners meeting. Okay? Let's see, gold. Gold. Scrolling way back here on gold. I mean, gold is just so jumpy. It's got so much volatility lately. I almost was going to say something really cocky, like it's almost hard not to make money, but it's easy to not make money if with the volatility it can easily go against you. Anyway, right here there was a shorting opportunity right in there. I missed. There was another shorting opportunity in there. I missed. There was one right here that I took, and I took some profit on that. I missed this. I missed this. I didn't take a trade there. There wasn't a trade there. I missed this nice opportunity right here, and also this one over here. It changed directions, and there was a long trade right here on the sub close. I missed that, and when I say I missed these trades, I didn't miss them because I didn't want to take them. I missed them because, well, I was doing something else. I was trading somewhere else. I was teaching someone else. I was doing something else. Okay. Just going to scroll along to where I had actually marked the charts up, because right in here we took a losing trade right in here, and we got a break-even trade on that one. Got a little win on this trade right here, and a break-even trade on this one. That was at 10.44. Then I took two trades in the same spot right here. I got a break-even on this one, and I took it again, and I got 10 ticks profit on that. All right, I missed the down close right here, and there was no divergence left on that. I missed this up close over here for the opportunity on the long side. I took a short right here with a break even. I missed that. That would have stopped out. I missed that. Wouldn't have stopped out. Then we're getting toward the end of the morning session right here. I took, this is still gold, right? Yeah. I missed a long trade right in here. If I had taken the long trade in here, I would have been out at break even on the thing, right over here. I would have been out at break even. Okay. Let's see, and that was pretty much it for the gold in the live trading room this morning. Currently, gold made a big move up. It's retracing a little bit, and it looks like it's starting to move up again. We have just a little bit of bullish divergence right here. It's testing the BBC. There's a long trade on gold right here from 1386.4. 1386.4. Okay. Now let me move gold off, and I'll go over soybeans. Well, I'm going to run through the NQ really fast because I think I only highlighted one or two trades on the NQ today. There was one of them right there, a short trade. There's a long trade right in here, and there were bunches of trades here on the NQ, but I didn't take them. All right, there was a long trade right in here, another long trade right in here. So you had a couple opportunities to get into this huge move up. There was one here, one here, one here, one here. All those were opportunities to get into this huge move. Okay. There was a little short trade right here. Didn't really go anywhere. It was 6 or 8 ticks probably. Okay. Compared to that move, it went nowhere. Then it changed directions and you started having longs again. was a long trade there. There was a long trade here. There was a long trade here that didn't go anywhere. That would have stopped you out. Then it changed directions again. You know, the slingshot was no longer in favor of things. It changed directions again. There was a short trade right here. A short trade there. Sliding over. A short trade here that would have stopped you out. And nothing. A long trade there, but I would have gotten a break even after 4 ticks profit. A short trade here. Again, the break even. A long trade here. That moved nicely. And then you lost your divergence. And you know, just recently I had a short trade right in here. Right here would have been the short. Okay. And a short, well, after drawing your trend line, you would have been short over here on this move down. And possibly right there. Okay. That was the NQ. NQ this morning. We didn't trade the NQ. Soybeans, we put, let's see, we put a few trades on beans. So let me show you the soybeans. Here we go. This was the first trade on soybeans. We took 8 ticks profit on that. We were looking for the close above the trend line. I had a buy stop on, put me in, took profit. I missed the follow-up one. All right. I took a little bit of profit on this short trade over here. All right. It dropped down, closed down below the, well, it gave me 4 ticks profit is where I moved my stop down to plus 4 ticks. I was really thinking this was going to drop right here. You know, this was a shoulder and this was the head, and I figured it was building the other shoulder and we needed to break this neckline here. And I was really thinking it was going to drop, but it turned around on me. I missed this long trade here. I took this one and I ended up taking a break even on it. This short trade, I didn't like the way it came together, and then we had bottoming action. Okay, we had bottoming action right in there. And it took off out of there and had a long trade right here. That would have stopped you out, and then you would have had to wait till you got a higher swing. So over here would have been the next area you were looking to get long. All right, and actually right, got to draw a trend line. There's really right here would have been a long, but it's not coming together really nicely. You know, you need to see something move up above here and continue the trend. And that was soybeans. We ended up plus, where's soybeans? Beans, plus 10 ticks on those 3 trades. The ES, as I showed you earlier, we didn't take a single trade on the ES, and on copper we took a couple of trades on copper. Actually, we took more than a couple. We took a few trades on copper. Let's back it up, and we had a long right here and a long right here. That gave us, I think that gave us our 10 ticks. And I took a short over here, but I was wrong when I took the short. I made a mistake on that, and so I got out with minus 1 tick. And then I took the short when it came together properly, and I moved my stop to break even properly, and I ended up getting out of break even on it. All right. So we were plus 10 after these 2 trades. We were plus 9 after this 1 trade, and still plus 9 after that 1 trade. You can see copper took off and moved up. There was an opportunity to get long there, and we lost our divergence in there after that. An opportunity to get short right over here, and that's pretty much it. Right now it's setting up another opportunity to get short. Okay, that was our day trading, guys. We ended up plus $300 and something a contract. Not as good as yesterday or the day before, but still good enough to put us up to a new monthly high. We are at $5,437.50 per contract for the month of May. All right, in 17 days. I don't know how many dollars that averages per day, but let's just do it. 5437.5 divided by 17. Okay, so we're up an average of $319.85 a day is what it comes out to. That's just our normal days. That's what we do, day after day after day after day, doing the same thing again and again and again and again. The CF flow indicator that you see that's painted all the bars, all the different colors in here. Again, that's going to be made available to the partners tonight in the partners meeting. If you're not a partner and you want to use that thing, you've got to get into the partners meeting. We have some guys that are doing some things with it that are really, really good. All right. that's it. I'm going to wrap up my recording here. If you have not taken the free trial, go to cfrn.net/apply. If you have taken the free trial and you want to become a partner and start making some money, then send us an email at support@cfrn.net. Okay, support@cfrn.net. With that, I am wrapping it up.